Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making baked salmon. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. You will need 4 salmon steaks, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of fresh parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. In a small bowl, combine the olive oil, butter, lemon juice, and garlic. Now add the parsley and lemon zest. Add the onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and paprika, then whisk until well combined. Place your salmon steaks on a baking dish lined with foil, then generously coat with your butter sauce. Cover your steaks with your foil, then transfer to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, remove it from the oven, and now it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. So for cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.